Welcome to my channel. My name is London, and today we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star mystery box. This is the bigger one. I believe it had like 5 exclusives. I don't really remember. I was supposed to get this mystery box like a week ago. I was supposed to get it last Thursday, and if you guys don't know, I live in Texas and we had a huge snow day. There's still like small patches of snow on the ground, but UPS and FedEx were not doing anything. So it is Tuesday and I have gotten my mystery box. I literally got this mystery box like 5 minutes ago. I already had my makeup done. I knew it was coming in the mail and I picked it up off the porch and I ran upstairs to open this. And I haven't gotten anything Jeffree Star in a while. So I'm super excited because I have been complaining about that there's not enough exclusives in the mystery boxes, and I'm tired of getting repeats of other, Jeffree Star products. So I'm super excited that hopefully this one is like takes the cake for me. Everything is all covered up. Ooh, so Jeffree Star skin. I am super into Jeffree Star skin. I am excited for it. So, finally, something that I don't have. I got the rainbow one, I had the Valentine's Day lip set, and now I have the nudes. I am so happy for it. Oh, this looks amazing. Ooh, I love Skin Tight and Posh Spice. Look absolutely amazing. Okay, we're off to a great start here. Yes, I have a new baby to put up behind me. All right. Oh, you guys know I love merch. So I got a Jeffree Star, I believe it is a t-shirt. You guys know I love freaking merch stuff. I have so many. Oh, is this a long? No, it's a t-shirt. Okay. So we have Heartbreaker Jeffree Star logo. And then on the back, that's what it looks like. It says Heartbreaker in cursive. Right in the best time for Valentine's Day. So I do believe so many things I have to double check and see if I have it, but I got the gloss in the shade Peach price tag. I can't remember if I got all of the glosses. I don't believe that I did for the Blood Money lunch. I have to go through and double check everything. Ooh, but it looks gorgeous. This is what the gloss looks like. Ooh, wow. There is a lot of single eyeshadows in here. I think this is all of the single eyeshadows. Not entirely sure, but we have, see, this one is called Freak Show. I can't remember where all of these eyeshadows are called, or what they're all in. Divine Intervention. I don't know. I feel like that one's in the Blood Money palette. Excuse me. My dog. Ash! What are you doing? Thank you. He always has to dig before he lays down. This one is called Open Range. This one is 1985. It's kind of hard to see them in there. They all seem like deeper colors. And this one is Private Island. There's a lot of stuff in here. Wow. Okay, so this is a Velour Lip Scrub in Pink Grapefruit. You guys know I have a whole collection of lip scrubs up there. And it looks like I don't have Pink Grapefruit, which is great. Yummy. I love the lip scrubs. I'm still super excited for everything, so this is looking good. Ooh, okay, so this is a gloss in Let Me Be Perfectly Clear, which I think is the clear gloss, which I don't think I got the clear gloss. Yeah. Oh, clear gloss is so satisfying. I love it. I love clear gloss. I don't know what it is. Like, when it's untouched, it looks so satisfying. All right. And then we have a Supreme gloss. I don't have a lot of these. This is in the shade Improper. I think it's been good that I've kind of laid back on a lot of the Jeffree Star releases because all of the mystery boxes, now I'm getting stuff that I don't have. So this is what Improper looks like. Lovely purple. I'm loving the Valentine's Day colors. Oh my gosh. So this is the Jeffree Star Sophie light. I love this. Okay. I like it. How does it work? Oh! Cool. I like this. I need some more lighting. And this one is the mix of warm and cool. All right. I'm gonna find this pretty handy, if I do say so myself. All right, there is something that is wrapped in here. What are you? Ooh, the Heartbreaker Palette. It's a Skin Frost palette. Cash, excuse me. Oh, but the Heartbreaker Palette. Ooh, look, this is what it looks like. It has like raised textured font. And it is a highlighter palette. Ooh, let me do a little swatches here. Okay, that last one I wasn't a big fan of, but once I swatch it, ooh, this is gonna look super pretty on the eyes. Oh, wow, okay. So these are the swatches. It's kind of hard to tell. What in the heck was that noise? But look at how pretty that is. Even with the look that I have on today, I feel like all of these would look so pretty. All right, I'm happy. I'm happy about it. If y'all watch my channel, I'll link some of the other videos down below of where I haven't been super happy about my mystery boxes. Oh, I have a Velvet Trap lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. I have yet to try this formula, so I'm super excited. Ooh, the top got a little dinged up, but look at how pretty this is. Ooh. All right, I'm excited. I've heard a lot of mixed emotions with this lipstick, so I'm glad to get my 2 cents on it. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll probably try out some of this stuff on like a reel or a TikTok video, so definitely don't forget to follow me. I'll have the link in my description box down below. Ooh, I got a lip liner. This is in the shade Mannequin. I hardly ever use lip liners, but every time that I do, I feel like I like the look that it gives me every time. Ooh, that's a lovely shade right there. Let me actually swatch the Celebrity Skin lipstick as well. I am gonna be obsessed with this Celebrity Skin. So we have Mannequin and Celebrity Skin. I'm running out of room on my vanity. All right, what are you? Ooh, I think this is a color corrector, the Magic Star Concealer. I have 2 of the concealers, but this is in the shade Yellow. Got a bunch of glitters in it. Oh! I'm such a dummy. I was like, it has a bunch of glitters in it, but the star kind of broke off on the top. Oh my gosh. I can't deal with myself anymore. Ooh, that is super, super yellow. I'll have to figure it out. I don't really use color correctors all that often anymore, but I'd be interested to see how it works on my skin. I have the Orgy Palette. Oh man, if you guys, I'll have to link this video down below, but I did a whole video of why I wasn't gonna buy the Orgy Palette because I'm not really a fan of the name. I went through all of my reasons of why I wasn't gonna buy it in the video, but upon looking just at the colors, I do like all of the browns. And when this initially came out, I wasn't super into like really nude eyeshadow, but I feel like on a day-to-day basis I've really been wanting a good palette of all plain browns. So I'm gonna have to try this one out and see, although the names are just, oh wow. We got 2 things left in here. Ooh, this is a Velour liquid lipstick, the exclusive one. I have the other exclusive ones. Ooh, this shade is amazing. Wow. Oh my god, it's a burgundy. It's gorgeous. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. If you guys know, I'm a huge A&M fan, and this is like a deep maroon burgundy kind of shade. Oh, I'm obsessed. All right, last thing in the box comes in this super cute packaging. Oh my gosh. Woo. All right. Heartbreaker. Love the mirror. I use Jeffree Star mirrors all the time. Like, I literally have this one, the popsicle one, right next to me. I have another one that helps me film. I use these for so many different reasons. I'm obsessed. So, this, I think, is the first mystery box that I've had in a super long time that I haven't had any duplicates with. I will have to go through the eyeshadow palettes to see if I have doubles of the individual eyeshadows, but other than that, like, I am super happy with everything that I got. I love the exclusives. The exclusives just add an extra oomph to the mystery boxes, in my opinion, especially for me, since I've got literally majority of my Jeffree Star collection from mystery boxes that I do get duplicates a lot of the time, that I wish you would just do like a 5 to 10 item mystery box of just exclusive products. I feel like that would just be mind-blowing. But yes, happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I'll probably upload another video by Valentine's Day, but I'm so happy that I finally got my mystery box, and it was not a letdown at all. I'm super happy with everything that I got. I love it so much. Let me know what your favorite thing was in this mystery box. Let me know if you picked up a mystery box. Alright, that is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.